Stocks give up gains as worries over global economy persist. Stocks gave back earlier gains Thursday as Treasury yields reversed course to trade lower on the day as fears of a global economic slowdown persisted. The Dow was down 50 points, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq slipped 0.15%. The three major the 10-year Treasury yield fell to 2.227% in afternoon trading. Earlier in the session, it definitely points to slower growth. That's the primary. Bank shares followed yields lower. The SPDR stocks have fallen along with yields this month. The S&P, there are insufficient signs of bottoming in the market, said Mark Newton, managing member at Newton Advisors, in a note. Yet this will alter. The protracted trade dispute between China and the US also weighed on markets. A senior Chinese Vice Foreign Minister Zhang Hanhui said Thursday that provoking trade disputes amounted to naked economic terrorism. Washington and Beijing have imposed tariffs on billions of dollars worth of one another's goods since the start of 2018, battering financial markets. Earlier this month, the higher levies pressured U.S. stocks in May, putting them on pace for their first monthly decline of 2019. Through Wednesday's close. In economic news, the second read on first quarter U.S. GDP showed the economy expanded by 3.1% on an annualized basis. The 3.1 CNBC Sam Meredith contributed to this report.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up